In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your DeepSeek account. So if you no longer need that DeepSeek account that you have been using and you want to remove it permanently, let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. To get started, head over to the left corner here and then tap on your profile. From here, select Settings. And then this will go ahead and highlight various setting options that are available. Go ahead and choose Profile. And under it, you can see we have this option called Delete Account. If you go ahead and tap on Delete, now you have to note that this will delete your account permanently and you'll not be able to recover it or recover any information that you had on your charts. Now, to complete the deletion process, you'll have to go ahead and verify by typing in here, delete my account. And once you're done, confirm delete my account option will be available. So that's how you permanently delete your account in DeepSeek. For my case, I'll not delete it because I'm currently using it. And you have to note that also once you have deleted it, you'll not be able to sign in again with the same email. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.